Hi friends, so Creative is making a video on how to connect your computer to your TV. First, this is a HD TV and I have a laptop here with a movie going on, and take one HDMI cable like this, and it has a HDMI 2 on the side, and connect the HDMI here to the TV port. One side, I'm connecting. Say like this. I think you can't see, but there's HDMI. Now take the second part of the HDMI and connect it here. The HDMI port. One sec. I will show you. Actually, see, there's HDMI port. So I can fix HDMI. Now computer loads. Wait, see. What's the movie I'm playing? It came. Now I'm using my wireless mouse and wireless keyboard to control the computer, so it controls my TV too. First, see, whatever I do, it comes to my computer. But mine is big TV, so it covers the other icons. Now let's go to the Windows. See, you have HD clarity. The better HDMI connection you have, the better clarity you have. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and more, and see my other videos too. Hope you enjoy with this feature with your TV and laptop.